In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom browser docs like Twitch Chat to OBS Studio. If you've ever wanted your chat or a web-based tool living right inside OBS, this is exactly how to do it. A custom browser doc lets OBS load a web page in its own panel so you can see Twitch Chat, your Streamlabs chat box, or other browser tools without juggling extra windows. First, log into your Streamlabs account in your web browser. We're using Streamlabs here because it provides a reliable chat box widget that works great as a doc. Keep your browser open. We'll be grabbing one URL from there and using it in OBS. Next, inside Streamlabs, locate the chat box widget. You're looking for the widget's URL, which is the special link that displays chat activity. This is different from a scene source in OBS. It's a web page link intended for browsers. Treat this URL like private information since it can include tokens tied to your account. Before you copy the link, take a moment to customize the chat box in Streamlabs. Pick a theme, adjust colors, choose whether to show badges or emotes, and set any moderation visibility you prefer. These settings ensure your doc looks and behaves the way you want. When you're happy, copy the widget URL to your clipboard. Now switch to OBS Studio. At the top of the window, click the Docs menu. This is where OBS manages all its panels, including the ones we add ourselves. Choose custom browser docs from that menu. A small window will pop up where you can define one or more docs. In that pop-up, enter a clear name for your doc, like Twitch Chat or Streamlabs chat box. The name you choose becomes the label of the panel, so make it something you'll recognize during a stream. Paste the widget URL you copied into the URL field next to that name. Double check there are no extra spaces before or after the link. Click Apply to create the doc. OBS will load the web page inside a new panel. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to populate. You should now see a new floating window. Click and drag it toward the edges of the OBS interface until you see blue highlights indicating a docking area. Drop it where you want, stacked as a tab with other panels in a sidebar or along the bottom, so it fits your workflow. Finally, to keep your layout consistent, go back to the Docs menu and select Lock Docs. This prevents accidental moves midstream and preserves your layout between sessions. That's it. You've added a custom browser doc to OBS, making your setup cleaner and your stream management easier.